In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make clipped or angled corners in Figma. This is a fantastic technique for adding a modern, dynamic touch to your designs, whether you're working on UI elements, illustrations, or unique graphic shapes. It allows for a level of customization beyond standard rounded corners and can really make your design stand out. We'll be using a clever method involving fill properties and blending modes to achieve this effect. To begin, the very first thing you need to do is add the initial shape that you want to apply the angled corner to. You'll achieve this by using the Pen tool in Figma. Head over to your toolbar, find the Pen button, it usually looks like a fountain pen nib, and select it. Once activated, you can start drawing your shape on the canvas. For demonstration purposes, a simple rectangle or a custom four-sided polygon works perfectly, but this technique can be applied to any closed vector path. Click to create your anchor points, and make sure to close the path by connecting the last point back to the first one. This creates a solid, editable vector shape that we can then modify. Take your time to create the precise base shape you envision for your design. Once your base shape is in place, our next step involves accessing its fill properties. With your newly created shape selected on the canvas, look over to the right-hand side panel, which is your Properties panel. Here, you'll find a section labeled Fill. This section typically shows the color currently filling your shape. What we want to do is click directly on this Fill option. Don't worry about changing the color just yet. Clicking on the Fill area will reveal more options and a drop-down menu related to how the fill interacts with your shape. This is where the magic really starts to happen, as we're not just changing a color, but defining a crucial interaction. After clicking on Fill, you'll see a small drop-down menu appear. Within this menu, among other blending mode options, you'll find one called Subtract. This is the key to creating our clipped or angled corner. Go ahead and click on Subtract. What you'll immediately notice is that a portion of your shape appears to be cut out or removed. By default, this might create a diagonal cut across your shape, effectively giving you that angled corner. The Subtract blend mode works by taking the top fill layer and subtracting it from the layer beneath, creating transparency where they overlap. Now, to control the angle and depth of your clipped corner, you can adjust the size and position of this subtracting fill layer. Simply drag the edges or corners of the fill layer in the canvas view to resize it, or move it around until you achieve your desired corner clip. You can create subtle angles or dramatic cutouts. Experiment with the placement and scale of this subtracting fill to achieve various unique angled corner effects. This method offers incredible flexibility and allows you to dynamically adjust your clipped corners without permanently altering your original vector points. And there you have it. A straightforward yet powerful way to introduce dynamic, angled corners into your Figma designs, enhancing their visual appeal and modern aesthetic.